that time of year when people like to drink Baileys, me included. But this year we're going to make a Nutella Baileys just because we can. So if you look at a bottle of Baileys, you will see there's quite a few ingredients in there. We have fresh milk, cream, sugar, alcohol, maltodextrin, milk protein, flavorings, which contain caffeine, Irish whiskey, coloring, which is caramel E150B, and emulsifier, which is E471 mono and diglycerized, that is, and acidity regulator, which is E331. Of those ingredients, there are a few that are kind of essential. So that is the milk and cream. So people will say milk and cream if they just use a cream product because it contains milk and cream. So your half and half is milk and cream. Sugar, alcohol. Now those are essential. We now have maltodextrin. Now maltodextrin would likely be used in Baileys to thicken it and to create a different texture than just using normal. You can thicken it in other ways, but maltodextrin is a very common mass production kind of ingredient to use for that. Milk protein will likely be skim milk powder and or direct milk proteins themselves. That is to create a creamier mouthfeel. The flavorings, we don't really know what they're using, but when you break down the flavors, there's likely coffee extract and almond extract in there as well. We have our Irish whiskey, that's essential. You can use any whiskey, you can use any alcohol you want to use. It's just, you know, Baileys originally uses Irish whiskey. And that is what we've got here, Jameson's. The caramel color, so this will be to darken that color down, but as we're making Nutella, it's gonna be colored anyway. An emulsifier, we're going to use sunflower lecithin, and emulsifier is going to be a really good thing to put in this because it will keep all those ingredients together. You'll still need to shake it periodically, but it won't separate at all. And the acidity regulator, I hate those. I'm not touching that with a barge pole. So let's get on and make this. What you're going to need for your Nutella Baileys is 500 grams of half and half. If you're in the UK or in Europe, you can use 70 grams of double cream and 430 grams of whole milk. Gives you the same thing. We have 115 grams of sugar. We're going to use 190 grams of our Irish whiskey. That will give us a 17% ABV at the end. If you want a 25% ABV, use 280 grams. If you want a 30% ABV finish, use 340 grams. We've got vanilla extract, which is 7 grams, 3 grams of coffee extract, 3 grams of our lecithin. If you don't have this, don't use it. Don't worry about it. Let's weigh out our Nutella. 300 grams. 300 grams of Nutella all around my face. Let me go. We're good. We're going to weigh out this. My wife is going to be drinking this, so I'm not going to make it super strong. So 190 grams of our Irish whiskey. We'll add our 7 grams of vanilla extract. Can't open that. God, jeez. Nope. Hello. There we go. Whoa. That took some opening. 3 grams. And there we have everything we need apart from this. This is sunflower lecithin, so it comes from, I'll give you one guess, sunflowers. You can get soy lecithin too. And you can get both of them in liquid form, which would actually be better for this, but this is what I got. Let's get our tiny whisk. We're gonna combine that lecithin with our sugar. We're gonna put all of this in our blender here and go to town for a few minutes. Don't worry about it whipping because there's not enough fat in this. There is everything we need. All we're gonna do is take that off, half and half in there. Our whiskey and the other liquids, our sugar with our lecithin, finally our Nutella. Get the lid on and let's get this just on low speed for a couple of minutes. If you really want to get a similar texture to Baileys, we can do one or two things. We can either add some maltodextrin or we can add some cream, so whipping cream. I imagine most of you would have cream as opposed to maltodextrin. So what we're going to do is add in about 100 grams of our cream, and that, let's get some out into a bottle. You can use any bottles. This is actually an old glass bottle from Avalon Dairy. 1 litre. That cream just thickens it up a little bit. If you want to use, if you have maltodextrin, use that. You can use guar gum as well, xanthan gum as well, not a lot. Thicken it up however you want, just don't use starches because then that adds a really weird flavour to it. Let's get this out into here. And there we have our Nutella Baileys made with Irish whiskey. Smells like Baileys. It smells like, if Baileys made a hazelnut Baileys, this is what it would be. It's beautiful stuff, super smooth, needs that little bit extra cream on top. When you see recipes elsewhere for things like Baileys and they use, you know, common products that make it easier for people to make, I'm always disappointed when I make them because they're just not the same. They're not the same texture, they're not the same consistency, they don't have that same punch that the Irish whiskey gives. It's not very strong. Baileys is what, 17% ABV, so it's as weak as you like, but Irish whiskey cuts through, it's quite acidic, so it cuts through the top of all that dairy, and that's kind of what you want. I made this with a rye before, and I mean, I'm a rye drinker, but it doesn't cut through. It's too smooth rye to cut through that cream. You just get that punch of alcohol because that's what it does. But this, 10:30 on a Friday morning, Merry Christmas. Have a good Christmas. I'm going to try and do a couple more over this holiday season, try and get some out because I've got some spare time on my hands. This is going to go in the fridge. We're going to keep that probably for 2 days and it'll be gone. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.